First thing to do before starting up the combine for the day is to grease it up. So we're making good progress. We have just finished Northfield. We've taken the combine into what we call Oak Tree Field.
We're on the way to pick up a new fence post for the broken fence. There we are, it's all fixed again now. That's our penultimate field done. Now we've got to take off the header and go across the road to our last field. Yeah.
So, common problem, we've got a broken blade here, probably hit a stone or something, so we're going to do a quick repair job before moving on to the final field.
In order to get to the field we're harvesting in, we have to go through this grass field which has a horse in, but it's got out its pen, so I've got to avoid running it over. Doesn't have a care in the world, just chewing on grass. Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm not in a hurry. Silly horse. Well, it looks like I've got an escort to the combine. Gosh. I think it's getting a bit of a telling off from the boss. What do you call a horse that gets in the way of harvest? A stallion.
Are you licking my arm? I'm about to be eaten by a horse. Still on. You're in the way. You are in the way.
And it's gone. Hello, Grandma. We've managed to get in the field, got the header on, about 4 hectares to go. Here we are harvesting our last field of wheat. We've just done a bit of crop sculpting and now we're doing the headlands. Fits perfectly in between the header.
3, 2, 1, we're done.
So we're just trying to take our last few loads to the granary. The problem is the usual road we used is shut because of roadworks, and so we've had to be going a long way around to get there. On that route, a big lorry has got a blown out tyre, and so there's a loss of traffic. So Bradley's just gone past there with a tractor and trailer after queuing for a long time. So I'm just going to see if the roadworks have opened up again so we can come the short way. Some delightful person has fly tipped in the middle of a main road. Nice. And that is the last of our wheat loads for 2022. We were halfway to this bit of land after dropping off the load at the granary, so we thought we'd leave the trailer here for a week before we harvest. These are the beans. They're pretty much ready now, so stay tuned for the bean harvest. Vacuuming a vacuum.